Good morning, class. So, let us now continue our lesson about finding derivatives using the chain rule. What is our chain rule formula?
dy
It is dy
over dx equals dy over du times du over dx.
Okay, so let's try an example. Ay, times sa, uy! Nga naman mo, nga naman mong gwapahan.
What? Wow!
Nice!
Hi guys, for today's video, let me flex you my beautiful and gorgeous grade 12 basic calculus students. Here is Shakira May Granada, Yumi Amor Galgo, Rika May Amper, Hazel Simbahon, Jasmine Simbahon, Eileen Tadena, Hannah Jean Rocavo, and again Shakira May. Here's Chrisley Balabag, Ian Dilambaka, and George Stefano. Here is April Vizca, Angel May Quizon, Caitlin Mumar, Princess Marian Rose Kasulukan, Liza Escobar, Mary Joy Olaer, Leia Jane Meshuna, Jean Gupid, Jovi Loveret Simbahon, Jillian Karikitan, Hannah Althea Simbahon, Hajea Nogalada, Reza May Amper, Trexie May Ladisma, Danica May Rapada, another Trexie May Ladisma, Joanne Toyor, Merjoy Berdera, Rhea May Arcayena, and insert Arian Itorma kay walang pa video. Thanks for watching.